Welcome back to Adi Quanta. It's time to test your knowledge. 20 general knowledge quizzes. Are you ready? Let's start. Which country has a flag that is not rectangular? A. India. B. Nepal. C. Japan. Your correct answer is B. Nepal. Which country has no rivers at all? A. Brazil. B. Saudi Arabia. C. India. Your correct answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Which country has the most pyramids in the world? A. Sudan. B. Egypt. C. Mexico. Your correct answer is A. Sudan. Which country has a capital city with no cars? A. USA. B. Maldives. C. Netherlands. Your correct answer is B. Maldives. Which country has the most islands? A. Sweden. B. Philippines. C. Indonesia. Your correct answer is A. Sweden. Which country has the longest name in the world? A. UK. B. Australia. C. Thailand. Your correct answer is C. Thailand. Which country is both a continent and a country? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. Africa. Your correct answer is B. Australia. Which country has pink lakes? A. China. B. Russia. C. Australia. Your correct answer is C. Australia. Which country has the coldest city on earth? A. Canada. B. Russia. C. Norway. Your correct answer is B. Russia. Which country has the tallest building in the world? A. UAE. B. USA. C. Saudi Arabia. Your correct answer is A. UAE. Which country has the most spoken language by people? A. India. B. USA. C. China. Your correct answer is C. China. Which country has more sheep than people? A. UK. B. New Zealand. C. Australia. Your correct answer is B. New Zealand. Which country has the largest road network? A. China. B. USA. C. India. Your correct answer is B. USA. Which country has the most time zones? A. France. B. Russia. C. USA. Your correct answer is A. France. Which country has a lake that changes color? A. Brazil. B. Australia. C. India. Your correct answer is B. Australia. Which country has the largest pizza ever made? A. France. B. Italy. C. USA. Your correct answer is C. USA. Which country has the fastest train in the world? A. France. B. China. C. Japan. Your correct answer is B. China. Which country has the biggest airport? A. Saudi Arabia. B. China. C. USA. Your correct answer is C. USA. Which country has a river that flows backwards seasonally? A. Cambodia. B. India. C. Brazil. Your correct answer is A. Cambodia. Which country has the largest mirror-like salt desert? A. Peru. B. Bolivia. C. Chile. Your correct answer is B. Bolivia.
Well done.
How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed the challenge, subscribe to Adi Quanta for more general knowledge quizzes. Keep learning, keep winning. See you in the next challenge.